Hey, see them. We have all our eyes at the penthouse.
If I just one night, if you feel back your cocky one all night. The way you push
attitude stink. In my pussy well clean and pink. And I'm a chain alone, my full of
I don't know what's been going on, man. Like, for the past week and a half, 2 weeks, it's been, I don't know, a bunch of stuff.
Hey, Crissy, go and see Mar and go catch woman there. And Seymour and Crissy slash Seymour tire. And Seymour put it for say I'm tire mash up. And if you look at that picture and see how Seymour rugged and drugged, you know say something happen.
Only people who have sense will understand.
A message for the artist them like when on a plan for release one song for Maga Pussy Girl then. Big and serious. Because every song we release, fat pussy in a tights, fat pussy in a shorts, fat pum pum this, fat pum pum.
But today you're there with Kartel. From your little boy you and Kartel there. But daddy, and that you forgot to talk about. From you in our school you're there with Vibes Kartel.
What?
I take every way. Ooh! Andre, why did you do that?
So because I say Maria shorty because she not put herself in a mix up when people are talk the worst thing about her. This a little bottom man that come comment on my page. But shorty fake, she never hold the
Yo, Adi, Vibes Kartel, the teacher, the world boss, the new crown king of dancehall. This is Notorious J.A., the king of Clarendon. I know me die if you ask you a little question. Yeah, man.
Please. Oh, teacher, otherwise as dancehall Ayatollah. When you come and find people them bumbo blood clot name. Cause I wanna set it up.
Like how she go Google Tamika home, Tamika Google back her blood clot home. Tamika knows everything what she know about it because she know my address and she know Tamika address. So we're supposed to know your address. You know, find out by your blood clot address.
Fuckery and foolishness. Make here say your name not on the title. You have 6 figure, so they want to see the degree where I get 6 figure.
She had trouble people, you know. But when people start troubling her back now, she go call police. And you know when we realize she do, she make sure she call police and record it to put it out here. See one video with K and K say, when she will stop halfway, Tamika go hell.
Jesus Christ, Lisa, I say Kartel used to beat him, but he want Kartel beat him now. Say he want hold Kartel in a boxing ring to pussy claw. Yo, that no start.
Yeah, my peeps, you know a part 2 this and this are Ricey. Straight from out of Ricey. Now, I don't know if this is constitutional or unconstitutional, but I want you people to look at this. Look at it. The government installed camera in the prison. There it is. The camera, a video in a myself.
Where it all started.
Only power because of the cousin, on the friend, on the pitney. A police don't feel like say it is right to hear that the Jamaica security forces are constantly getting up and unaliving people. That is not their job.
It's up on the topic of Vibes Kartel and Lisa. I see everybody a call upon Vibes Kartel say she him fi do whatever and when not fi do. People even wanna blame Vibes Kartel for what Lisa are going through. People that tell Kartel for link Lisa. Lisa, if we link the medical people, they must study doctorate.
clean and pink. And I'm a chain alone, my full of link. Them girls say them bad, but I got them.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, Pepper Kid is back again with our next epic one. Today we're gonna talk about Lisa Hype. We're gonna talk about Vibes Kartel. We're gonna talk about CMR. We're gonna talk about Crissy. You know the thing come down. Yes, we are get down into this thing, man. Yeah, man, you have one woman over here, so we call himself. I don't even remember her name, but hear me I say, yo, she a bash Crissy and I say a bag of things over here, so see me. You know the thing come down. Yeah, man, everybody a let out their mind. You see, you have a little girl over here, so I say, yo, the artist them, message to the artist them. Yo, she a say, yo, she tired of put up her front with what, toilet paper and thing. Yo, but here I go on sometimes the toilet paper itch her vagina and where she have to take you out. Yo, whole heap of bag of things are going with her. SZP. Yeah man, but here I go on. Yo, artists, now have to do some video for flat pum pum girl them. You know what thing come down. Yo, Amari I shut up a bag of things and see them. Vice Cartel and one bag of thing. You know the thing come down. Yo, Nico. Yo, Jaja. Yo, the media get wild. Nico I say a bag of things. Him did say something about Shorty already. So you know say, yo, the thing turn on upon him now. Yo, Jano, you must say something, you know, like, you might try and shades them and thing. And yo, I'm not going to lie to you, him never did say this and say that. But you know, I saw the thing come down. You know, everybody are going to say some bag of things, you know. Cartel are the right thing, man. From Vice Cartel come out, yeah, man, dancehall get wild. Yeah, man. Yo, the thing wild. This hype, just calm down, you see me? Yo, I'm glad they're on medical, you know, and thing. When you forward, you just change the thing, you see me? Yeah, man, it's a K over here, so I write off some people see me, you know. And you just check out them things, you see, pray. Yeah, man, I'm not going to do no bag of chatting, you see me? Yeah, man, this girl over here starts saying I'm going to sue K and one bag of thing, one bag of thing with chaos and Ray. You know what the thing go? You see me, I get down in it, man. You see me, like, share and subscribe, you see me? Yeah, man, just to avoid the bag of chatting. Because I don't want the people them to chat too much, you see me? So I just give you a little heads up. The footage them will talk for themselves, don't. So just do the right thing, you know? Yeah, man. You have a little man over here, so I put out some one little clippage, I say, yo, this side get beat up by Kartel, Sean Storm, all of them, you know. But one of my business is that, you know what thing come down. You have a man here say, yo, you have prison, go viral more than once, you see me? I say, yo, watch you know, the government are put in camera in them cell like I watch them a plan for watchman, a poop. You know, if I back the man a back off in pipe, you know the government a go see that too. You know the badness come down. So here we go on. The match at a bag of things over there and say that not right, you see me? But the government them know what them a do. I feel them business that too. You see me? Yeah man, we are get down in night in the man. You see me? Yeah man, this warm. Here we go on now. Police shoot man. You see me? In a party stage, so boom, 3 shot. Yo, leave a warning shot in our ear. It don't look good. But here we go on. I not say this for police them come kill you out in your car. What you know, you get where I come from, you know, say them not like me either. But you know the thing go. You have some people that come out and I say, yo, F is because here we go on. Police them a get wild because what them say them are the government. So them have legal rights to kill people. No, that's not right. You see me? I get down in a story still. You see pray? Yeah man. So here we go on. A whole heap of things over here. A whole heap of people in that video here. But me never call them name and thing. You see me? So we just get down in that. We are getting our footage. You see pray? So we are going to start off by when name Gully Bop ex-woman, the oldest one. You know the thing come down. And you listen to the picture.
What? But today you're there with Kartel. From your little boy you and Kartel there. But daddy, and that you forgot about. From you in school you're there with Vibes Kartel. That you forgot about Sicker Rhymes. Don't let me expose you. Then go upon Winford, go and talk about, I am his ride or die, I'm his right hand. I feed him, I do everything for him. Oh, come in and see you now. Kind tired of your blood clot. Your Uzi get gliding. So go on to Seven Lord. Up next. You understand? You want new brief. You want new backs. You're not Vibes no more. Cause Vibes don't want you. Cause Vibes have to go and play it out with them. So one to you, Sicker Rhymes. Everybody in the industry knows you. Everybody. So you should have never trouble Amari. I know none of you are gonna live in peace. Because Amari knows your story. And everybody knows Amari don't lie. You understand? I want to them. So you go both. Left and right.
Message for the artist them like when on a plan for release one song for Maga Pussy Girl then big and serious because every song we release fat pussy in a tights, fat pussy in a shorts, fat pum pum this, fat pum pum that. You have women out here purchasing tissue for stuff up them pussy in order to get one man for that browning. And tissue is very expensive. Now most people are coming, they can get 3 tissue for $150 a ton. Remember, tissue is something where when it touch a pum pum and you stuff up a pum pum with it, you have to eventually take it out and change it depending on how uncomfortable it's feeling in your panty. Now when you buy one cheap tissue and stuff up a pum pum and you pass some man pan the corner and so with your pum pum fat and you reach down the road and your pum pum feel like your pum pum has scratched you and you start to walk and whine, eventually you have to take out the tissue out of your pum pum, find somewhere to fling it, find one corner.
What?
So because me say me rate Shorty because she not put herself in a mix up when people are talk the worst thing about her. This a little batty man that come comment on my page, but Shorty fake, she never hold the brother. Me never on the ear not this Vybz Kartel so. And say Kartel never hold out. Look how much bun Kartel give the woman. Batty man, look how much bun Kartel give the woman. And the woman still hold out. Everybody knows a Kartel clap off the whole like Gaza. Everybody know that. And everybody don't know a Kartel have pitney outside of your tree pitney. Everybody know that. Look on Lisa Ibe when I have one pitney for him and when Lisa Ibe, when Kartel come around and paradise and no time Lisa head chip off. Even though she have a mental illness. Remember say Shorty could have traumatized and go through whole heap of thing. Remember say the woman go through whole heap of thing. When you pray Shorty life from back then till now and so much trauma the woman go through. Remember say the woman could have murdered than Lisa Ibe, Remember say the woman could have walk all naked pan road and them thing there. Remember say is a woman left from foreign. Come a jail go look for Kartel and right now Kartel and a woman have married We don't have a chick or child for him Remember say that alone could have chip Shorty head I remember say one time the woman give a little pum pum that when Kartel there prison. Even Kartel himself say him understand. But still the man never come out back and know say him start a new chapter with Shorty and say yo I'm gonna marry her and go out the world with her and go mobile with her and him something. Because me personally, as a black man, as a warrior, said we too, would I rather say Shorty and him married and have a nice chapter ending with him 3 youth, the man who kids them and get outside, they don't know them a part of family, said we. Brother, on a split justice, brother. But Shorty fake, she never give with him. A real woman that, because she wall out with her, she wall out. And she never come on the media, come disrespect him, and go on no interview. Look how much thing me see baby mother come on internet, come cuss them baby father. It's simple as a thing, and look how much the thing where the woman go through. Brother, you better lift up your man. And someone who come and talk about them like Kartel. Me not born about hate Kartel, but me talk about the truth. When you see me a big up all woman where wall out and real. At the end of the day, I rate Vybz Kartel. Because Vybz Kartel take care of you, them say man make sure spend much money on the youth, them and make sure everybody good. Look how much artists no see now mind their youth, and a selector will not mind their youth neither. The truth, that was the truth, man. Lift up, man.
Yo, Adi, Vybz Kartel, the teacher, the world boss, the new crown king of dancehall. Matter of fact, double champion, crown king of dancehall. This is not Taurus J.A., the king of Clarendon. I know me die if you ask you a little question. Yeah, man. Because it's been a while, it's been so long. But me just see that whole out because you know me I get told I don't want to get drawn out because it show me know how me stay. And me know them people up on social media turn when time you come ask a man a question directly, them take it up on them head and go on like say, they are the one. But what I want to ask my teacher, because show me see you come create a song with the slang. I'm out. So, may I ask you, where you get that slang there? If somebody give that slang there, somewhere you hear that slang there, or you create that slang there, I don't know if me buy right from you, or you buy right from me, but the way how you say it just exactly like I said it. I'm out. And before me come ask this question, I do my research. And I even find the latest, the oldest video that I find so far is from 2016. I've been using this slang from about 2008, 9. Long time. You see me? Every jingles that I do for any radio station, any sound man, that will be my outro. Boom, it's Notorious J. Hey, I'm out. Or any advertisement me I do for any promoter. That is the slang I use at the end. Boom, I'm out. You see me? So, it just lead for just ask the question because you am now. It's been a long time. Me I do this. You see me? And you see through me know is a youth. You will come speak the truth. That's why me I direct the question to you. You see me? Yeah man, I'm not to J.A. man. Sing a bling or so come up on the Gaza, come check you. Me and you do all combination that don't play style. For bass-tronic sound. You see me? So, me just come forward to ask a question of my teacher and me expect a reply. You see me? Me not lie. Boom, it's Notorious J. Hey, I'm out.
Please, oh teacher, otherwise as dancehall Ayatollah. When you come and find people them bumbo blood clot name, cause I wanna set it up. Well, if he just start, hey, I'm a tough fuck people. Only remember after the party, remember say the day before, people. At least and dancehall Ayatollah, either Kabu, people, at the party, when they say Lisa, want to take money out of the blood clot general back, we are lying, people. Remember say, at the next morning, the focus start going, people. Remember say, everything go good, people. People, I said they set it up to fuck up the blood clot people, them life, to fuck up Lisa, people. I said thing going, people. I scamming going in the blood clot people, their life, people. People don't know so what going. A foot type them behind every blood clotting, people. Kind glad you know. You go in planet, it work out. How you feel now? Yeah, you're alright now. Your blood clot, you laugh now. But you know so who laugh, blood clot last. And they laugh. Remember me tell you one wicked pussy clot boy, you set up everything. People, remember say, foot type tell Lisa say, she for me to my blood clot airport, people, and Miami, people. People didn't remember people, where everything I come from, people. People didn't remember good people remember good people. A foot type set up everything, people. A foot type they behind it, people. People remember good no people. I am mash the people in life, people. A foot type of the instigator. I am the perpetrator, I am the snake and the grass, people. People me vex people. Because last year, December, when me got Shanstown party, they got blood clot, OT riot people. At least and the teacher, me say everybody I live good. Cause the teacher come from prison and I draw back in real people them. People remember say at least and dancehall Ayatollah. He everywhere people. And the whole family, everybody I live good people. And foot time coming at the mix people. Can he try to draw for the weakest fence. Because he doing pencil work, he doing book work people. People remember good people, I mean they save real people. People water 4 million people, me vex so I go on people. And foot type, he doing book work people. Yes, so he draw for the weakest fence. Yes, the weakest fence. We kind of know some little thing, just like friend and friend, we know them. They one another secret people. Yes, people are saying go. So he get to Lisa people. He get to Lisa people. I know when the girl got Miami for her money, he not no money for Gary. He treat the girl. Yes, he brave for the girl people. I foot type people. People, me vex people.
Yeah, because you have hit a pothole or you have already to at your home dealership, the Fields BMW?
Yes, in Winter Park.
Let me check. Yes, Winter Park, Winmore.
Yeah.
Winmore.
Alright guys, so Kartel, I don't know what's been going on, man. Like for the past week and a half, 2 weeks, it's been, I don't know, a bunch of stuff. Like the expenses, the unprepared expenses are the expenses where like you never expect it happen, and the ones that happens are the ones that you have to actually tackle. Like within a week, and I rubbed my rim the other day. I have to pay for some of the car the other day again. A bag of things, is it? But I feel like after the storm, there's a calm, and when it rains, it pour. Or when it pour, it rains. Whichever way you go. But, one thing with me, I stress over things. One thing I know, if something happen, you just got to find solution. If you can't find solution, then you're going to be worried. But for the most part, if something don't happen, I'm not going to sit down and stress about it, tired them. Or any other thing where I go on, I'm like, because more you stress about it, more problem. And I say, we don't think about it, you know. But I found out that, I find out, say, yo, listen, when you have issue, find solutions and you'll be less worried. So if the pencil broke, don't worry about damn the pencil broke, just worry how you get a new pencil. So in my case, me tired them boss, I feel just get a new tire. Unexpected expenses, not that I wanted those, because when trouble come, it come in numbers, like you would even know. But today, supposed to be a day when I try to get some things accomplished. You understand me? Yeah. It's one of them things to do.
Only people who have sense will understand. What I love about Crissy is how she always call us out of being senseless. I don't want to talk too early, but I bet you know 9 out of 10 times the reason why this mother, this poor excuse of a mother, is saying a little bit of something is because Seymour cheated on her again. Well, you bet me 9 out of 10 times Seymour, the apartment where Seymour live, she go catch woman there. That is the only reason she's saying something. And I would, and then I never did know, say, when people are say case throughout. No case not throughout. He's going through counseling and have to live by himself and can't go near to the picnic until him 18. And if I know that man good, I know say him have an ex-woman a house. That is why she a yap. One morning, bright and early, Crissy's gonna wake up and realize that some of us on the platforms spend 7 to 8 years in the university studying psychology. And psychology is the study of how human beings behave. So a lot of us are on this platform, we're not chaka. We come well armed because we're well trained. Crissy come out and chat her crap when I was taking my mental break. So everybody write me and ask me, and I didn't know nothing that was happening until I saw something on IG yesterday, last night, before I go to my bed. So I didn't know her crap that she was talking about. Crissy need to understand that a lot of us loved her and loved the family. Remember, say me ball me live in your water, you know, because I love Team Crissy, you know. Don't forget that. What I figure is happening now is that Seymour get caught again. Remember when Seymour was caught with the 2 little girls? Crissy came out and seek us as our defense and play victim. And so all of us jump on her side. Now, the more dangerous part of it, when she should have been the mother that she's claiming to be, she failed her children and she failed us. Crissy, you're not a good mother. You go to Magart High School and you waste your time. You come out as a yamhead. You come out and try to speak proper English. I don't know how many mothers could have known so them partner in a house, jump the fence and catch them child, and we come out on platform and speak proper English. Be still for the presence of the Lord. The Holy One is here. Be still for the glory of the Lord is shining all
Subscribe
around.
to Pepper Kid TV, people. Like, share,
I could have Christian till I couldn't Christian no more. You trouble my child? Gunshot will be heard. So I don't know what kind of mother you be, that you so poised, that you can open your mouth to talk because matter must still not done before court and I jump out on the rest of we and tell us how we act you, we bad mind you, we don't have no sense. The only somebody in this game who not have no sense, my dear, is you. People are right to say, oh, Crissy now wear a ring and her husband now wear a ring. Crissy was having a fake marriage. Crissy and her husband have a fake marriage and every Dolly house break up.
I believe so.
They were just on the up to create content. Remember they started out that every content that they created it was Seymour asleep with somebody, you know.
No joke.
Until Crissy starts sleep with somebody. Now Crissy can't trick nobody. Crissy have her man and Seymour have him woman and they use the child as a sacrifice. Crissy, you can't trick nobody. You is no mother. Your mother fail you and you come back and fail your child. It's a generational thing. You are no mother. You have no values. You have no morals. Because you go by Victoria's Secret revealing thing to impress a man who have criminal record, who have a record against your child. You? The Dolly house where you have, the home there where you pretend to build. And as somebody write me to say, the reason why you come out is because you're not making enough money so you try to play upon sympathy. The Dolly house there where you make, it a go mash up. If I not today, it a go mash up fully. Because you and Seymour not there none at all. Seymour no want you yesterday, Seymour no want you today, and Seymour no want you none at all. Because as I tell you already, you are over Seymour's age. Seymour is 20 and under, and you're way over Seymour age. Seymour no want you. So whoever you have a play Dolly house with, you better stay with them. Because might be, you might get like a respect there. But you don't have no respect to get from Seymour. So stop, come out, come tell me about your mother. Not tell we say your mother. Sure we say your mother goodie. Sure we say your mother. Because it is an action thing, it's not a tell. Somebody right to say, Crissy, go a Seymour and go catch woman there. And Seymour and Crissy slash Seymour tire. And Seymour put it for say, I'm tire mash up. And if you look at that picture and see how Seymour rugged and drugged, you know say something happen. And then Crissy, and then Seymour put up one picture and show say him and Crissy come from party. So and that is how Crissy come out and say something now because she's cheated on again. Seymour is not gonna wait until that child turned 18. That's why Crissy I try to push off the picking.
Like how she go Google Tamika home, Tamika Google back her blood clot home. Tamika knows everything what she know about it because she know my address and she know Tamika address. So we're supposed to know your address. You know, find out by your blood clot address. You're married for 9 years. Come here, I want to ask you one question. Oh, you say you're married for almost a decade and your husband alone named the your house. Me want to know that part there. Me not care about none of your business, you know. But you keep on telling people them, I'm here to tell come go, rented person, stay out of homeowner. Your name down there on the house and your husband alone. Your name down there on the house and your husband alone. And this is how I want to get straight to. Your husband by the house at 2019 or 2020. And you move to the house 2022. Where you and your husband having marital problems? Okay, your husband buy the house 2019, but you never move in the house for your husband buy till 2022. What was happening in your relationship? And up to this day, it is 2025 and your old name is still, and you're there on the media tell people about house owner? So we want to see one paper with your name there on it. I shoot Tamika daughter no love fuckery and she ban Tamika from come live because Tamika had a bust it by your blood clots. Hey, this morning Rabia when Tamika fling out the blood clot in for them gear I say, I know this and I know that. I know you this and I know you that. Here are, I'm gonna lock you up. I'm gonna lock you up, you bitch. Murder. I'm gonna have on the phone this morning. I'm gonna lock you up. I'm gonna report you. I'm gonna report you, bitch. Murder. Something like Tamika, Tamika. You have to make her have that paracord and I should have dropped your blood clot with them tablet this morning. When she called you and scream on a ball, when I give her the blood clot bill I receipt, me say the woman ball out in a Tamika ears. I'm gonna report you. I'm going to report fuck. To all you bad. To all you bad for the media. Oh my goodness. But I wish me did have it to play. You fucker, you. You never know you're going to meet your match. That's why when Tamika attack, me just calm. Remember when Tamika bust it and me just said, alright, Tamika done. Because Tamika is the type of person that know when for done. Tamika don't know when for done. Tamika, once you fuck with Tamika, you know you have some people where a guy enter earth for you, I saw Tamika them go to work. Worse when you touch her family, them and her man. Because you know say she a man didn't go for blood clot vave. You see how we pause the night and care about the girl, you? And Tamika just make it, you know, and give her information them, you know, and she turn the idiot and reach a police station. You're too bad for that girl. To all you walk and trouble people. No, sir. No, sir. Talk it short. To all she over here win war and win souls like Christian. Yeah, me know. Me not say nothing else. Me think me an idiot. Tamika raise up our pressure. Raise up our pressure. I say go. You me never have a time for that because I not Google no girl. I'm sorry. But remember I said Tamika them love computer and the things them. I not even want to know one girl first name or last name. But tell your husband to put a name on the house. You don't have one mortgage paper can go post and say you pay a mortgage. Please. To clear your name so you have shares in that house. Please. And also, we don't find no degree for you. You say you have your degrees at 6 figures. That we not see that. Put up your degree them. Remember you prove it. Everybody, don't you want to see urban degrees that she have? Put it up man and hype back per way. Put up your degree them or you have a hype back per. Say me want to see it. Me want to see it. I want to see the 6 figure. I want to see, because you can post my bill, you know. Post yours. 10 down the year, so I'm not put no blood clot dinner. You're crazy, I'm a friend you can go. You don't say I got my kiss and go to that video shoot, girl. I'm doing dinner. And we can go over KFC. You're crazy. And Jamila cook. I'm auntie them Adela cook. You're crazy, girl. Post your degrees. Post the 6 figure. Post the home that you own and not just your husband. One of us say, yeah, you have idiot people, them are going to say no. Once our husband owns a fear too. No man. We don't want it so. To all your triangle and go for come and people parent. And your house, anything one boy have as a boy want if my name not depend it. You ever hear our people them say, can you know them hate we, so when we talk, them are going to go against it. So you ever hear them say, and she ever say, once it's my husband's, it's mine. Mama tell you something what me know. When me tell me something what me know, make me tell you something what me know. You say, anything where boy own and care and name not upon it is not mine. Me no grocer, me no take rights off for people thing, cause a boy can transform from my blood clot, and when you look him down in him house, I'm stand up out here, so. So when boy one day, and you could have been my husband one more time, because I tell them boy you're wicked. When you're looking to find sign, I'll bring up behind my back. Go ahead. I'm not going to fight no, I'm not going to fight no boy for half or nothing. On a Yankee mentality. So I saw you alone, you'd get peace of it. When you have to go in a court, go fight the boy for half and things them. But to all you're a happy wife, your name for the happy paper. To all, you're a happy wife, your name for the happy paper. True or false? To all your cuss people about us, and your name for the on the house. True or false? To all your cuss people, we never hear you mention out of your mouth and give the boy him credit and say, me and my husband own a home. You say, I am a home owner. So your name for the on the blood clot paper, not fame own. A Cappy alone own the blood clot house. Tell Cap, me say, me don't know what you do with Cappy, you're not get nothing no. So Cappy could have owned one blood clot house, I'm not cheat him out of it. Cappy alone couldn't own the blood clot house. I ain't a people business. What me can never start out and put your name on it? Your credit no good. Your credit no good. Bumbo clot, they say you want housekeeper. You know a landlord. Cappy could have blood clot trick me. That's why I know you can't fuck it up. When me done fuck blood clot, Cappy have to go sign up my name like him blood clot glad. If we want to see a degree, you say you make 6 figures, you have good job, I have degree. We want to see a degree. We want the degrees. We come hype on me, shame me. Me want you shame me with the degree. Me want you shame. When you put it up, me just say, okay guys, she have our degree. Okay guys, she have our degree. Come now man, put out now and tell me so your name up on the house paper. We want the degree on the house paper. We want to see if we believe. Maybe I lie internet I tell for you. So we are here benefit I doubt. Because we just go off away. Just like when you go off from my bills on the internet, we are go off away we see boy up on the internet too. We want to see degree, we want to see 6 figure, and we want to see your name on the house. Thank you. And you come tell we never ask you. Remember me is a beggar, me not want nothing. Me want to see it because you're big, but listen, anyhow you show them, we're going to say internet is a liar. The internet is the weapon that farm against you. But we want to see them. Anyhow we not see them, we are going to just believe what we see on the internet. No guys, you don't want to see them. Me I tell her make she come to Tamika hard, you know. She would Tamika go tell her blood clot say she in her 10 square feet house. Tamika, you're fucking out of that. Tamika tell the girls her house big. Our house is as big as our blood clot king size room.
And them still because the girls say me moving at the house 2022 and my husband lived there from 2019. And if me married from 2017, why my husband I go live somewhere? And just one bag of fuckery and foolishness. Me here say your name not on the title. Okay. Okay. Guys, remember say I dance people we are deal with, you know, so all remember say I dance people we are deal with. So all when you put down everything on a table in front of them and you line out the game player, them still I gotta come and get a rang bang. Them still I gotta come and get a rang bang. Public record. Everything is public record. And me after them public record and me never put out nothing for them public record. All you see me argue me after them address and you never see me say, oh me I go put out the address. So why you think you go put out my address and me I go come yell out my throat? Me I report to everyone and me I report everything all owner in there. Everywhere I get reports. What do I say? Are you press charges ended? You feel like me I go meet you up outside and fight and square up at my big age. You feel like me I go meet you up and feel like a fight. Oh yeah, we're gonna take a flight and we're gonna fight. In America, at my big age, I report and add everything. Report and just send everything to the evidence link. Report and just send everything to the evidence link. Because bad you never see me come by here and say me I go check nobody or put out nobody address.
So if you are going to fight me, fight and do what me do. Now you're fighting unfair, and we got to involve the law. We got to involve the law. I remember say, but somebody like the other girl, she never have nothing. She never have a job. She never have a business. She never have nothing. So if me say, let's sue, when me I go sue for TikTok earnings, them have something for sue for. They got things, and them are type of people I like argue with and in them. And them are type of people who want text it for me and them something yeah. So me really meet my match for you. And them are type of people me did want, cause them have something that's worth losing. Oh yeah, me telling you, I always come by here. Get afraid for what? Oh no, of course, yes, Jesus Christ, I'm so afraid, guys. Right now I'm afraid to go to sleep. I'm afraid, oh God, right now I am so scared for you guys. Guys, I am so scared, like it's so bad, guys. I'm I have to be looking through my windows. Me even I see people that drive past my house. I see strange men in vehicles driving past and the window pulling down. Every minute my ring I get ching ching chime and them something there. I am so scared, guys. Ching ching chime every minute notification. People that drive past and everything. So let this be the record. Yep, for true. For true. I remember them are bad people. Yeah. Remember them are big bad people and them something there. So anything happened to Urban. Yeah. Oh, start crying. Oh God. Wait. Yeah, it's taking a toll on me and my household right now. We're scared. And right now for true now, because right now we have to go rent somewhere. So all when you swan you file for damages and them have to go pay you back for all of them something where you have to move and them something there. Yeah. I'm so scared, guys. My life is in dangerous. My life is in so dangerous. Well, my love, nothing when me do on TikTok is not a crime. So, and I me make one never report me. When me did come back here, come make my video, them one should report me. What wanna make me report on you for? What wanna make me report on you? Why would not make me report on you for? If when me did a do pan here is such a crime, why would never report me? You shouldn't make my fuss, yo. You shouldn't make my fuss, yo. You shouldn't make my fuss, yo. If everything when me did a do pan here is a crime and that is bad, you shouldn't make me fuss you and report. No. And what did I do to them? What evidence will be presented? Oh God. So I will not go mad when we report the whole family. And they can't, because you know that I use my words very wisely. Have you ever seen Urban come on here? I'll hear them say, oh, me say me have a gun and me never say me I go use it, and that is so be glad you happy them say that. Me happy them say that. Me happy say that. So yep, when you're in America, you do what the Americans do. If I did Jamaica, them would have to prepare for fight and slick my ear back and take out my earrings. But when you're in America, you do what Americans do and you take it up with the law, another full extent to the law. I'm serious. I'm not have nothing but time. I'm a housekeeper allegedly, so I guess me clean house at night time. So every day we go sit down in a courthouse. Yep. Yeah. So I already made my initial report and a lot of other reports are going to be made. Yeah. Cause everybody depend on the internet and everybody a cuss and bad to bad me know say alphabet. Bad for bad, me know say K did have my address because she first have my address. I mean know say she give it to K and she never said nothing about no address. But step grandma come in and she wanna be big, bad and mighty and show say she a bull buck and duppy conqueror. and she come and she want to put out address, well, this is the consequences. So you putting out my address are the consequences what me get for coming at people business on TikTok, and this is just your consequence what you get. I'm gonna tell you something I done. I say Monday morning a certain office open. I made that a call and report again. Report, repeat and report went on a boat. If I saw it go. They were planned for Obia me. Well, what a good thing I don't believe in Obia. What a good thing I don't believe in Obia. Never forget to for the guzzle. What a good thing. The woman said my bad mind for reporter. Mom, you're committing a crime. You're unnecessary name urban reporter. I legit have a video part here where say anyone who cross the internet border and step in a reality, may I report. It's literally in a name, urban reporter, and there's many reports to be made next. There's many, so everybody play the war, how them want to play it. But I saw me want to play my war. Oh, you mad? How are you mad? How you mad? So I don't want to go out and meet up and fight. Oh, you mad? So be involved the law. No, in the art of war, anything goes. In the art of war, anything goes. So them I do for them step, and me I do my step. They are doing their step. Guys, we are 30. We're almost 30 years old. Who wants to fight? You know, oh shit. Who wants to fight? You know how hard it is to live your life with a criminal record? You know how hard it is to live your life in America with a criminal record will follow you when you expunge it. Yeah. No. Them never wanted the internet banter. Them stepping at the real world. So there are cases on you and okay, good. Then them counter sue. Me telling you only 2 black happy. Then them do what them I do. If there are cases on me, then them do what them I do too. That's how it go. The 2 of us can do. My lip bust. My lip them chop because I'm so dehydrated because of the flu. Let me catch what I need to catch up on my water. I must be just recover for the flu. I can't find none of my chopsticks. I gotta put like a 4 on it too. I need some Gatorade. But I'm happy for the flu. I'm happy for the flu because I'm losing weight. I lose a nice 4 pounds. And with my appetite, I lose a nice 4 pounds. So, So if my appetite not come back, we'll lose the next 4 more. And hopefully can stay off for summer. Hopefully can stay off for summertime.
No, the big mad man. Make the game play out now. Make we sit down. All of us who have been spectator, let us sit down and watch. I just know that Tamika dig up things for her. Everybody I say, he go too far. He never go too far when she have Tamika business out there, eh? It wasn't going too far when she have Tamika business out there and I talk about, yo, there are some people that are very sensitive. Oh, yeah, man. There are some people that are very sensitive when it comes to their family. I am very sensitive when it comes to my kids. The minute you start talking about my kids, then may I have a problem. You see me, I say? But I guess she never know who Tamika was. And then she go talk about the girl husband and talk about the girl kids. And what the girl do? As me see one video with K and K say, when she will stop halfway, Tamika go hell for you. Now the very fact that you go trouble the girl and talk about the girl husband, when I go on like say, what these people do are public information. When she come and talk about who for man a drive truck or who for man a business, and I put all the people them business information, it wasn't a problem then. But now that Tamika retaliate, like how Tamika retaliate now, how a big, everybody big mad. How I know if it stop? Why if it stop now? She had trouble people, you know, but when people start trouble her back now, she go call police. And you know what I realize she do? She make sure she call police and record it to put it out here. So there's screen record all over the place with her calling police, telling police all these things. Yeah, man, anything where you want, say, man. Me know when you go run, come over here. Me see the last time me see record, screen recording a FBI she called somebody. Me not say it wasn't based on the information that the person was putting out there, it wasn't right. But call police, call police, call FBI. Cause she have to make sure she sure TikTok say, yo, let me call the police. So why all on the big mad now? I see somebody supported them come over already now. Why on the big mad now that Tamika handle her? One girl comment and one picture and one comment to me put on my friends in and say, Tamika have to go to prison because she had dig up things from people, but she not put a liar tells she not put people business out there. How many of you will know what Tamika man do or Tamika husband do? You know nothing about Tamika life? When Tamika came on the internet and started to talk, did any of you know anything about Tamika's life? None of you never know nothing about Tamika life. Everything want to know about Tamika urban Guno. So when I come go on a big man now that Tamika play the same game. Whether she not married or not, she her boyfriend. Because me say her husband. Like how Tamika retaliate. Alright, so Kay never have the resources because we all see what happened with Kay and her. So Kay never have the resources, but Tamika have the resources to dig in and find stuff. Why? She not always a digging a people thing. Why I don't go on like to the big man? I know some supporter them go run come over this morning because me go over my friend go say, why, yo, this is the second time, yo, if you be aware of people where love lick, and when if you lick them back, they run go hide and call people. You see, every time anything happen, she first go call police.
This is what me I say regarding the police shootings here in Jamaica. Let me tell you what I say. I have a lot of police friends. I have a lot of family who are also police servicemen and women in this country. And I am gonna drop this unbiasedly because I won't leave out because on the coast now, on the friend, on the pitney, a police on the feel like say it is right to hear that the Jamaica security forces are constantly getting up and unaliving people. That is not their job. Only if they're in positions where they need to use lethal force. Their job is to apprehend, not unalive as the Prime Minister and the dirty, nasty Security Minister have given you all permission to do. I talk about people that will meet them maker. So when will the Prime Minister and the Minister of National Security and the other criminals who we pay, when will they meet their maker? Why is it nobody in the damn country talking about the fact that we have to solve the problem from the root? Who are our biggest criminals in the country? The same ghetto youth them? Who politicians are funding to do their criminal activities? And when we talk in this damn country, Bruce Golding, how dare you? How dare Bruce Golding, me never a lot of respect for you. But me lose respect for you. Right now, me lose whole heap of respect for you, Bruce Golding. For you, if you come out and I can talk and basically go against the Jamaica for justice people who are talking about police unaliving 50 citizens since the start of the year. The persons who have been unalived cannot be unalived again. It is citizens that are alive that we ought to be concerned. Me concerned, Kami Libya. Who do need to fix the dirty act? It is too much, and citizens are jump up. Nobody now support dirty criminal. Me not like criminal. But you cannot negate the fact that these were little babies on their mother's breasts, who grew up and saw how the communities were, where politicians have come up with a plan to divide the country in a green and orange. I want to get up and every day I want to realize that these people in the ghetto communities who are considered criminals were coerced, trained, given monies and weapons, and were told to hate this community and to hate that one.
I have no right to privacy. Someone asks him to come, or if it is unconstitutional, or it is constitutional. If it is unconstitutional, or it is constitutional. Because officers have said it's constitutional, I mean, I think so. Because at the end of the day, if me go ride the bike, me go use the toilet, water watch me down head office. If me go urine, water watch me down head office. If me go phone my girl, water watch me head office. If me have beard, water watch me. That can't be constitutional. If it's constitutional, why not in the water system bathroom? Why not in the super office? Why not in the water them restroom? Why your prisoner cell alone? It's a video. What kind of real man that want to sit down at head office and I watch a man in him cell ride the bike, a beard, a phone sexy girl? What kind of real man that want to sit down on a camera and do that? So me ask in the common human rights, please if you can assist us to make you know if this a real something where they talk about, because this can't real. No matter what, even though my freedom being taken away, I have privacy. I have some sleep, right? That's some sleep, right? That's some bed, right? That's some use the toilet. So you say legal for a man to watch me 24/7. People out the road, them say I go and monitor the camera. And them say them can't fight people out the road for monitor Jamaica Eye. But just because of 300 million of them claims that they must spend 300 million. People are empty cell camera there, the mount of camera there.
Can't stand get people to come and talk about him bumbuckler and liar.
Oh my God. So on the topic of Vibes Kartel and this side, you see everybody a call upon Vibes Kartel says she him fi do whatever and when not fi do for this side. And like people even wanna blame Vibes Kartel for what Lisa Hyde going through. People that tell Kartel for link Lisa Hyde. Lisa Hyde, if you link the medical people, they must study doctorate. You see me? You have a thing them call them entitlement. And one of the things them will lead to bad mind. Nobody know nobody nothing, bro. Look at Kartel do for Lisa Hyde, bro. Why Vanessa Bling no there saying that this opposition or why can I look things on Vibes Kartel? Why Popcorn in it? Why Da Vinci in it? Why the rest of Tamil leader money all of them? Bro, Kartel put on Lisa Hyde, but Lisa Hyde should have go sit down and do her work. You see me? I'm telling you something, Massacre have a line where I say, sit down there, watch man clocks, man. No need for go listen about the line and see what the dog talk about. No sit down there, pre people things and stop phone one blessing you. No go and go put in the work, bro. And go do and have to do and stop watch a man thing and a man pocket, bro. You see me? A man ain't entitled to do nothing for nobody, man. So if a man do whatever him do phone, I just appreciate it.
If you feel back your cocky one all night, Do you push it in like hard rock?